In a busy software company, there was a team of 30 young and energetic employees, full of dreams, ideas, and excitement for success. They worked hard every day, often staying late to meet deadlines, but their manager felt something was missing. The team was smart, yet they often struggled to solve real problems together. So one morning, he decided to teach them a life-changing lesson, not through a meeting, but through a game. When the employees entered the banquet hall, they were surprised. The hall looked nothing like an office. It was decorated with bright balloons and colorful ribbons, just like a birthday party. In the middle of the room stood a large box filled with hundreds of balloons. Everyone looked at each other, wondering what was going on. The manager smiled and said, "Each of you pick a balloon and blow it up. Then write your name on it carefully." Everyone laughed and joined in. Soon the hall was filled with laughter, balloons, and the sound of air being blown. A few balloons burst, making people giggle even more. After everyone finished, the manager collected all the balloons and placed them in another room. Then he said, "Now, your task is simple. Go find the balloon with your own name on it. Be careful not to pop any balloon." The employees rushed into the room. Within seconds, chaos filled the space. Balloons bounced everywhere, people bumped into each other, and 15 minutes later, no one had found their own balloon. Everyone looked tired and confused. Then the manager called them back and said, "Now let's change the rule. Pick any balloon, read the name written on it, and give it to that person." Within just 2 minutes, every single balloon was in the right hands. The room went silent. Everyone understood what had just happened. The manager smiled gently and said, "This, my friends, is the real solution to problems. When each of you was searching only for your own balloon, you failed. But when you started helping others, everything became easy and fast." That's how life works. Real solutions come from helping one another. The team looked at each other and smiled. They had just learned something that no training session could teach. From that day on, their office changed. They began to listen, cooperate, and support one another. And soon, success followed naturally. Moral of the story: when we care only about our own gain, life becomes difficult. But when we start helping others, we often find the real solution to our own problems.